Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox with another video for you today. Now, I am so excited to do this video because this concoction right here that I'm getting ready to explain to you is one of my favorite weight loss concoctions. Now, I've gotten so many new subscribers since a few of my videos, and a lot of you do not know my story. A lot of you do not know how I've lost my weight and how much weight I've lost. So this is why I'm making this video right here. What started it off for me was this right here, okay? The Bragg's apple cider vinegar. I know so many of you probably have seen so many of these types of videos on YouTube regarding the Bragg's apple cider vinegar and regarding the weight loss stories that you've heard. Well, if you've heard them, yes, they are true, because the Bragg's helped me to lose 50 pounds. And I did this without exercising, and I also did this while trying to tweak my foods, okay? I didn't want to be restrained to a diet, to a way of eating that I couldn't enjoy my foods anymore. But what I had to do was change all of the bad stuff and substitute it for the good stuff. All right, like all of the white stuff. We're talking about the white potatoes. I had to substitute that with the sweet potatoes. The white rice, I had to substitute that with the brown rice. The white sugars, I had to substitute that with the healthier sugars like stevia, agave, maple syrup, the grade A maple syrup. I also had to limit my carbs, my starches, okay? The breads that I had, instead of the white breads, I had to use whole wheat breads. So I had to tweak some of the things that I was eating, and also lots of vegetables, okay? You cannot get away from eating vegetables. So if you don't like vegetables, you may have a hard time with this, all right? Because vegetables is very important along your weight loss journey, as well as fruits and healthier snacks. So I had to change my whole mindset and the way I thought about foods, the way I thought about preparing them, especially the seasonings, the way I cooked it with the types of cooking oils. I had to get rid of that vegetable oil, that corn oil, all of that, and substitute that with extra virgin olive oils. So there's a lot of different things that you will have to change along your journey that you probably never thought of doing. Okay, you never thought of the types of foods that you were eating. You're going to have to eliminate a lot of things. You're going to have to get rid of it. And we're talking about the fast foods, okay? Unless you're eating and picking healthier choices out there. Like my favorite restaurant is Chipotle. Now I know they may not be 100%, natural with their meats, but they have vegetables, beans, they have it all there that you can actually eat on the go. So that's one of my favorite go-to restaurants when I'm out. Panera also. I mean, there's so many different things that you can choose out there if you're on the go and you didn't have time to prepare your meals. But one thing that held me down no matter what, and even when I was eating the wrong stuff from time to time, and we're talking about around the holiday season, which is getting ready to come back around, the Bragg's apple cider vinegar concoction, this is what did it for me. Now, sidebar, this is not a sponsored video, so if I sound like I'm doing a commercial, X-nay, okay? This is actually what did it for me. This helped me to lose 50 pounds, and I mean, no lie, you guys, no exercise. Now, I don't recommend that you do that because you will lose your muscle mass. And that's what I did. I lost my muscle mass, my womanly curves. One thing with the Bragg's, it detoxifies your body. It definitely helps you to drop that weight. It's going to help to suppress your appetite. It also helps you to improve your digestion. And it's going to help your immune system. It's also wonderful for your skin. Your skin is going to start glowing. So yes, you have this 20 minutes before each meal. And as long as you're on it consistently, Okay, consistently. That is the key. Being consistent every day. You're going to definitely have the experience of seeing your body shrinking. And if you don't see it, other people are going to notice it before you do. So also exercise to keep you from you losing your muscle mass. That I highly recommend, because when I did it, I wanted to see the weight come off first and then build up my muscle. But when I did it that way, I lost all my womanly curves, and then I had to go back and boost myself back up with protein. But to eliminate all of that, if you're losing a lot of weight, definitely exercise, okay? Do not do this and lose all of that weight at one time, because then you're going to be left with a lot of loose skin. Now, I had somebody make a comment regarding loose skin is only you losing water, okay, in your body. No, don't think that the Brags is only allowing you to lose water. It's killing the fat in your body slowly. It's eliminating the fat in your body. So you're not just losing water weight and then you're left with flabby skin. That's not true at all. Because if you exercise, your loose skin will then be filled with muscle. All right? As you're losing the water, you're building the muscle. So that's why it's important to exercise while you're on this. All right? So this way you won't look flabby. Now, if you're losing an excessive amount of weight, depending on how much weight, 100 pounds, your body's going to take time to snap down, to shrink back down. But just know you will be left with some loose skin. And you may even have to have surgery to have some of that lost. But I've seen women on YouTube who've had that gastro bypass surgery, who's been overweight, say 200 pounds overweight, and they shrunk down and their skin snapped back. All right? They didn't have all that excess loose weight. So it all depends on your genetics. It all depends on your body and the elasticity left in your body. It also depends on your age. So depending on all of that, your body can definitely go back down without you having to have surgery. So you guys, I just wanted to share this video with you to answer some of your questions regarding what teas are my best teas, what helped me to lose the weight and all of that. Well, the Bragg's apple cider vinegar is what did it for me. All right. So thank you again for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to be a blessing to this channel, I have links down below where you can also donate towards this channel. Any amount is appreciated, okay? It's not required, but it is appreciated because it will help me to bring better content videos for you, all right? So I thank you all for joining me. I thank you to all my new subscribers. I've gotten so many of you from my latest videos, and I welcome you to the channel and also to the family, okay? So again, you guys, don't forget, keep looking out for these wonderful teas and detoxes that I got coming your way. And also, if you want to see family vlogs behind the lifestyle of me and my family, check out my other YouTube channel. I'm going to list the link down below, and it's called Velvetlox, and you'll be able to get some more fun things happening with me, my family. Instead of me just talking about teas all day, you'll get to see me be me, all right? And also other things that I do besides hanging out in the kitchen, all right? So thank you again for joining me, you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos, okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.